Is it the right time to buy or sell Ford stock? In this video, we'll be delving deeper into Ford. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 29, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Stay informed about any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 29, 2023, our system has identified Ford as a promising investment opportunity, rating it as a buy candidate with a score of 1.26. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Moving forward, we will closely monitor this assessment to observe its development in the upcoming days. This stock is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. For short-term traders, this could present a great opportunity to sell, as we can expect the stock to react and move towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a possible breakup at the top trend line at $10.69, as it could indicate a slower falling rate or even a potential trend shift. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected minus 21.34% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between minus 32.40% and minus 20.64%. Looking at the 12-month trend, we can expect a minus 8% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between minus 16.32% and 28.74%. This means that the stock price could range from $8.86 to $13.63 after a year. Our latest update on Ford is here, with some exciting news. The headline reads, Ford stock upgraded from hold/accumulate to buy candidate after Wednesday's trading session. Let's dive into the details. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, November 29, 2023, the Ford stock price increased by 2.12%. It went up from $10.37 to $10.59. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $10.56 and a high of $10.96, showing a 3.79% difference. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 of them, resulting in a 1.83% increase over the past 2 weeks. On this particular day, the volume of shares traded increased along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In fact, 38 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 73 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $774.56 million. Now, let's take a broader look. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Ford stock reached $15.42, while the lowest was $9.63. Currently, the price is 31.32% or $4.83 below the 52-week high. It is also 59.06% or $15.28 below the all-time high, which occurred on January 13, 2022, when the price reached $25.87. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for stock symbol F. On Wednesday, November 1, 2023, Burrell & Company upgraded their rating for F to overweight. Similarly, on the same day, Barclays also upgraded their rating for F to overweight. Moving back to October 25, 2023, UBS initiated coverage on F with a buy rating. On August 1, 2023, Daiwa maintained a neutral rating for F, suggesting a hold action. Lastly, on July 7, 2023, Morgan Stanley upgraded their rating for F to overweight, also recommending a hold action. Analysts have given Ford stock a general rating of strong buy. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Ford. On Thursday, November 9, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 9.18%. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, and both volume and price are increasing. These are considered positive technical signals. However, there are also some negative signals that may influence the short-term development. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, but the long-term average gives a general sell signal. The fact that the long-term average is above the short-term average indicates a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $10.70. On the other hand, if it falls, there will be support from the short-term average at $10.36. Breaking through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will strengthen the sell signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal occurred 14 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was observed 22 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal occurred 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was observed 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages resulted in a buy signal 39 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see the following. Short moving average, a buy signal occurred 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal was observed 81 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages resulted in a buy signal 73 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Ford. Ford support lies at $10.40, which has shown to be a strong buying opportunity in the past. When this support level is tested, we can expect an upward reaction in the stock price. Ford stock is known for its consistently good trading volume, and with minimal daily fluctuations, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be low. In the previous day, the stock had a price range of $0.400, 3.79%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.2%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Ford, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This is a critical measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A low P/E ratio could indicate a pessimistic outlook for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now, let's move on to some recent news. The next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.140. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's explore some potential day trading levels for Ford. If Ford experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to keep an eye on is at $12. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, if you currently hold Ford stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Ford faces its first support level at $10.40. If this level holds as support, it could present a promising entry point, potentially signaling a rebound in the near future. According to multiple analyst sources, Ford has a strong buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 15, 2023, Amend Michael purchased 196,879 shares of common stock, valued at 1 cent per share. On the same day, Amend Michael sold 83,286 shares of common stock, valued at 1 cent per share. Additionally, on November 15, 2023, Amend Michael sold 196,879 shares of Ford stock units. On that very day, Jaja Marin purchased 191,021 shares of Ford stock units. Lastly, Jaja Marin sold 46,153 shares of Ford stock units on November 15, 2023. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be 28.699, indicating a positive trend. In total, insiders have purchased 4,020,618 shares and sold 2,131,179 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $10.11, which represents a decrease of 4.5%. This particular stock exhibits low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was discovered 13 days ago. Is Ford stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we believe there is a buying opportunity at the current level. Our analysis has upgraded this stock from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, November 30th, we expect Ford to open up $0.113 and start trading at $10.70. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Also, please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our stock analysis. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think is the target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.